Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either turn on or off the background intelligent transfer service on your Windows 11 computer. So this tutorial will apply for other versions of Windows as well, such as Windows 10, Windows 7, and Windows 8 too. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass down in your system taskbar and then type in services. Best result should come back with services listed right above app. So go ahead and open that up. You want to now go and locate the background intelligent transfer service here. So I'm going to make this screen a little bit wider and you can see it's listed right here. So go double click on that. Set startup type to disabled. If service status says running, select the stop option and then select apply. Okay. That's if you want to turn it off. If you want to turn it on, double click on it. Startup type, set that to automatic. And if service status is stopped, you want to start it. And in my case, we'll probably just have to restart our computer and actually would be able to start automatically at that point. So since we can't actually start it at this present time, we'd have to just restart our computer. And since the startup type is automatic now, it should automatically start up. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.